Do you wake up feeling restless, anxious, and tense before the day has begun? For many, mornings can bring a flood of worry and a sense of being behind. Morning jitters are common stress hormones peak after waking, and caffeine can worsen shaky hands and scattered focus, making it harder to feel grounded. Lemon balm, a gentle herb from the mint family, has been used for centuries to calm nerves and support mental clarity. Its fresh lemony scent soothes the mind. Lemon balm's natural compounds support GABA activity in your brain, easing tension without sleepiness. Studies show it helps reduce anxious feelings and improves focus, making it ideal for mornings. To use, steep lemon balm leaves in hot water. Sipping this herbal tea creates a calming ritual that steadies your mind and starts your day with clarity, no caffeine crash. Begin your morning with calm and focus. Welcome to a better start naturally with 2-minute herbs.